You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Recently, I used the Canon RF 85 1.2 DS and the Nikon 85 1.2 S-line lens, and it's true. The Canon RF 85 1.2 might be the best 85 on the market right now, until we see what Sony has to offer. But until then, let's check out this Canon.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. We are out here in Virginia with Miss Sade. Now, today we have a very special shoot, okay? We always have a once a year meet and greet. So this is our annual meet and greet, all right?
Back with another green dress.
And we have a special photo shoot. So today I'm actually going to be using the new Canon R5 Mark II with the 85 1.2 DS Canon lens. Okay, so this is going to be some fire. And we have Miss Sade in a lovely green dress. Now, where can they find you at?
Underscore life of SHADE.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in the bottom left-hand corner. One light setup today. Beautiful location I've been trying to shoot for a while. Let's get it.
If I say
All right, 1, 2, tighten core. And extend yourself a little bit. Boom, there you go. 1, 2. Gorgeous. Let me get a full one right here. Boom. And give me like that left hand on it. Yeah, you could make it a little less subtle. It look like you're struggling a little bit, but just a little, yeah. Boom. Here we go. 1, 2, yeah. I gotta kind of like hide you. Yeah. 2. Perfect. Let me check that. Give me that right hand, kind of like the other hand. Leave that one right there. Yeah. Yep. 1, 2. Boom. And tighten your core. There you go. All right.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for.
Yeah, I like that right there. 1, 2. Gorgeous. 1, 2. Perfect. I like that right there. Hold that. I'm gonna get a close up. 1, 2. Gorgeous. Okay, Sade. Yeah. 1, 2. Oh, 1 second. All right. 1, 2. Boom, like that. Perfect. 1, 2. I'm just getting some natural light ones. Alright, so let's do it straight on, because basically you got some sun on your face, I know you can feel, and then you're in shadow. Up. Hold up. That light might be. Yeah, that's where I need you at. I need you in full kind of like shadow right there.
But the legs were shining, right?
Yeah. Alright. Let's see. 1, 2. It might be your scent.
It is very narrow though.
Yeah. 1, 2. Hold up. And glance at me a little bit. Oh. That leg, can you cross it like that? Yeah. And then that right arm, bring it right there. Yep. 1, 2. All right, 1, 2. That's fire. 1, 2. Boom.
Now, for the purpose of this video, I absolutely left all of the images unedited. All right. And I really want your opinion on this lens. I love the 1.2 and I love the 85mm focal length. Now, I don't have a direct comparison from the same exact shoot. However, I do have one from a top tier setup. So the Nikon Z8 with the 85 1.2 and this Canon R5 Mark II with the 85 1.2. Different photo shoots, but what I'll try to do is get some shots that are similar in composition. That way you can kind of see the differences in the images. And from those image comparisons, I want you to tell me what you think. Who has the best 85 1.2 right now? My opinion is absolutely the Canon RF 85 1.2 is sharper than the Nikon lens. It is sharp. And I have to say that. All right. I'm sorry. I have to be transparent. Now with the colors, I'm going to go with Nikon. And then one of the other things that I love to look at, the out of focus area, bokeh, is neck and neck. So it's pretty hard for me to call because it's so close. So you tell me what you think. Check out the images. Until the next video. Peace.
I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world